This next region is the area of Africa, and Africa, as shown on the map, is a fairly large area. However, Africa is normally discussed in three parts: North Africa, which most notably, I suppose, one would think and discuss a great deal of times with Egypt, although Libya has been in the news as well. Then there's Central Africa, which is not discussed most of the time, except it seems when there are conflicts, although we have in the book, in the textbook, Kenya, and Kenya has been an important country in Central Africa, so it does receive some focus. And then, of course, the other major area and the third part of discussion of Africa is the southern part of Africa, and most notably there's a discussion with South Africa, which seems to be the more advanced country within Africa if we think of economic development. The region of Africa is contiguous in part to, again, the Middle East as well as Europe, and therefore trade, especially on the northern part of Africa, is heavily involved with Europe. On the other hand, because of the physical distance and limited development, as we'll study, there's less activity in trade in Central Africa, South Africa being the furthest away from Europe, but yet the most developed, does engage in areas of trade with other parts of the world, including Europe and the Middle East. We'll move to a discussion of Africa in general as a region, and specifically more so as examples, South Africa and Kenya.